A couple months ago, I made a post about us having some custom-made hats ordered. I mean, look at these things, they're pretty sick. I've been getting a lot of questions about the hats, so I figured I'd walk you through kind of our process, how we had these things made. So first is the patch. We had these, we custom designed these in-house, and then we ordered them. It's like kind of like a PVC, two-dimensional patch. We ordered them from a place called patchdepot.com, and 100 of these cost $328. So they ended up at $3.28 per patch. Next is the hats. We didn't want to do like boring, all the same colors. So we went to this place called Clothing Shop Online that sells like a ton of different hats and different styles. So we get a bunch of these things. This most recent order that I put in got 19 hats, and it was $152. So that breaks down to $8.04 per hat. Now what we do is, these patches have like an adhesive on the back. So we take the adhesive off and we stick it to the front of the patch, and then we stick the patch to the front of the hat, and then we have it stitched on. So we go to a place in town in Buffalo here called Stitch Buffalo, and they charge us $4 to have the patch stitched on. So $3.28 for the patch, $8.04 for the hat, and $4 for the stitching. All in, that's $15.32 on average per hat. And you got a nice piece of swag that's not kind of like one of the normal, boring embroidered hats that you might buy.